Hi, and welcome again to my channel tonight. Thanks for joining me. I am going to speak about interesting facts about Kenya. Number one is Kenyans do only drink lots of warm beverages, and this includes chai. Kenyans don't drink coffee or rarely drink coffee. However, coffee is grown in Kenya and highly produced and even exported. But rarely is coffee served in the homes or consumed by local Kenyans. So Kenyans only drink beverages which includes chai. With this I mean chai like tea with milk. And on the other hand, export coffee instead of consuming coffee. Yeah, Kenya is